My adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit. Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
It went this way. No, that way. I'd like to say hello, goodbye.
Curious. Told you before.
I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait! That way, please!
You could try this way.
Always the problem. So let the paint be split. We're painting the roses red and many a tear we shed. Because we know, oh, they'll cease to grow. In fact, they'll soon be dead. Oh,
Her Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen will always win.